right, hey guys, just wanted to show you. So we're working on this Mercedes. We did an upgrade quite a few years ago, but it came back in for some touch-ups and some adjustments. We do the cars and sometimes we're so busy. When you're in it, you're just, you're working, you're trying to get it finished, you're trying to get it delivered, and you don't take the time to actually appreciate it. But when they come back and we adjust some things and we're like, man, that car sounds phenomenal. The cool thing about this car, which I really like, is that it basically has a set of components, a tweeter and a mid-bass driver, a 10-inch sub in the footwell. So we built a fiberglass enclosure. There's a grill, and a metal grill, and the woofer lives behind that piece right there. But a lot of times we get the question, how do you get bass in a car like this, right? How do you get this car to sound good and not have a big crazy box or anything like that? Well, footwell subs are the things, but then we get the thing, oh, well, I don't want to give up any of my footwell space. The car's already a little car to begin with. I'll show you right now. I'm gonna jump over there. I'm almost 6 feet, and I fit no problem. You probably wouldn't even notice. And that thing hits. I mean, it sounds ridiculous. The amount of bass, because it's in the cabin, the amount of bass you're getting out of it is impressive. Also, obviously, we have a modern deck. So now he has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. A lot of the older cars, the technology was dated when the car was new. Maps were horrible, things were just bad. Updating it makes it way more functional, more usable. You hear me talk about this all the time. If your older car or your classic car or your toy or your whatever is more like your current car, your daily driver, you're gonna use it more, right? Because it has all the modern conveniences that you're used to. And it sounds phenomenal. And in this case, it's gorgeous. Take a look at this car. The client has amazing taste. He always decks them out with the wheels, and they're just gorgeous, gorgeous cars. And now the stereos match that. So just to give you an idea, so look, so this is with the seat all the way back. I'm literally, my feet are fully extended, right? And even if I move the seat up to match the driver's, my knees are bent and comfortable, right? So Mercedes lend themselves well because beneath the carpet, they typically there's a plate, and a lot of the electronics live there depending on the trim level of the vehicle. So there's some real estate there that we can take up that's technically not in the cabin. The Mercedes in particular lend themselves very well to being able to do this. There's a couple cars that are really good for this. The Mercedes, the Porsches, a couple of cars that people are like, well, there's no way to get bass in that vehicle without having a box just sitting in the back seat. Well, there is. It's way more involved. It's not just dropping a box in or buying something off the shelf. It definitely has to be tailored, hand-built for the vehicle itself.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.